Hey everybody, it is Doug. I'm in my new city of Greenville, South Carolina, sporting the new Rolex. Some call it the Kermit, some call it the Kermit 2.0, some call it the Cermit, and some call it Starbucks. So what's the story of this piece? Well, it was 7 months and 5 days ago. I contacted my AD and I told him I was very interested in getting the green Submariner, the green bezeled Submariner. And so he, took down my information, and 2 days ago, of course, right now it's kind of like early December, he contacted me and he said, Doug, we just received a gold Rolex on an Oyster Flex. Are you interested? And I said to him, not really. I said it's either a Yachtmaster or a Daytona. I guess it could be like a Sky Dweller or something too. But I just said, hey, I'm really interested in trying to complete my Land, Sea, and Air, which is, of course, I already have the Daytona and I have my Batman GMT. So I really wanted the Submariner to kind of complete the trio. And so I said, hey, thank you so much for thinking of me. I know those are gorgeous watches, but I'm really just trying to focus on my green dialed Submariner. And that was an email. And then he emailed me back and he had said, well, I've got your collection complete. I've got a green Submariner waiting in the safe for you. And I was like, oh my God. This thing, wow. Everything about it is fantastic. First of all, I used to have the 114060, the old no date. The 40, I don't feel any difference in terms of size, even though this is a quote-unquote 41. It's not like it's bigger. And I know, of course, the bracelet is a 21 and it tapers to, I think, 17 and a half or so, which is a little bit larger, but once again, I don't notice anything different. It doesn't feel any bigger. And I know if you do the clasp right beside the other one, you can see the difference, but I can't notice anything different. So this thing, it just feels, but it does, it just looks better. I mean, it really does. I mean, shaving down those lugs, and I actually like that kind of boxy square look, but I think it looks a lot better now with the just the improvements they made. I mean, it's just a Rolex thing. They just improve it over time. And of course, what is unfortunate is that this guy may be going away. I want to give you guys a shot in different light. So this is shadowed light. And let's go out into the sunlight. So it does get brighter. I think I actually like it best when it almost has kind of like that hunter green or dark green look. But more like that. Merry Christmas, Sam! Merry Christmas, everybody.